Structure of population. Sex ratio, age structure, literacy, occupation, rural and urban factors affect the structure of population. Main source of population data is census. It is used for development and future planning. Sex ratio. Sex ratio is the ratio of number of females per thousand males. Sex ratio is a good indicator of social status. Where women have a better social status, the difference between number of males and females is less. In fact, this ratio is found to be close to 1000. In Maharashtra, the females are lesser than males. Here is the calculation for the sex ratio in Maharashtra. The formula for calculating the sex ratio is sex ratio is equal to the total number of women multiplied by 1000 divided by the total number of men. On substituting the values, we get 5 crores 40 lakhs 11,575 multiplied by 1000 divided by 5 crores 83 lakhs 61,397. On reducing to the lowest terms, we get the answer as 925.46. In the last 10 years, the sex ratio in Maharashtra has marginally increased from 922 to 925. In Maharashtra, the highest sex ratio is in the Ratnagiri district. This is because many men have migrated to this district due to better employment opportunities. The sex ratio is the lowest in Mumbai because the immigration of men from various states is higher. Recently, the sex ratio in the age group between 0 to 6 years is also derived. It is also considered a social aspect of population. This is used for future projection of population. The sex ratio of this age group is 883. In the state, the highest child sex ratio is in Gadchiroli district and the lowest is in the Beed district. Age structure. The population can be divided as per age group. Generally, the age group between 0 to 14 years are dependent, 15 to 59 are active population, and the age group 60 years and above is considered as old age group, which is dependent. From the age structure, we can understand about labor force and working population present in the state. Also, it is necessary to know the age structure of the population for planning and to provide various facilities. Generally, factors like birth rate, death rate, and migration, etc. affect the age structure. As per the 2001 census, the proportion of the working people was 42.05% and the proportion of the non-working people was 57.05%. That is why the state has a low proportion of children, which is 50%, while the proportion of old people is 7%. Literacy. Literacy is a characteristic of a developed society. In Maharashtra, 82% people are literate. The literacy rate of males and females is 86.02% and 67.05% respectively. In Mumbai and suburban areas, the literacy rate is 87% because this is totally an urban area. Sindhudurg district has a high literacy rate. In the districts of Western Maharashtra, the literacy rate is similar to the Maharashtra state's average literacy rate. In central and eastern Maharashtra, literacy rate is low. Chandrapur, Gadchiroli and Nandurbar districts have low literacy rate as they have relatively higher scheduled tribal population. Migration. Migration is a process in which an individual or a group of individuals go from one place to another to stay temporarily or for a long period. Generally, natural calamities, business, war, job transfer, education, marriage, tourism, etc. are the factors responsible for migration. In Maharashtra, there has been a migration on a large scale in metropolitan cities from various parts of the country. Similarly, in the state, the migration from rural areas also is found. The agricultural laborers migrate towards the irrigated area. One of the reasons for women immigration is marriage. Due to the lack of job opportunities in the rural areas, people migrate for employment in urban areas. The migration also takes place due to educational and medical facilities. The areas from where people migrate generally face a problem of scarcity of labor, whereas the areas to which people migrate suffers the stress on infrastructural facilities due to increase in population. It creates stress also on the social services. The future. The policy for compulsory and free education, making provision for midday meals, various educational schemes for girls, National Open School, adult education schemes of the Government of Maharashtra have resulted in progress in education. This is showing positive results in reducing growth rate, check migration from rural to urban. Efforts are also being made to improve sex ratio conditions in various parts of the state.